As a CEO, as a leader, do you want your teams to align to your organization's business outcomes? Do you want your teams to identify the roadblocks, the challenges, and convert them into best practices, solutions, and accelerator? If that resonates with you, my dear friends, we at SimuRise are conducting a very powerful business alignment workshop, focusing on helping you identify what are the square wheels and round wheels of the organizations. Square wheels and round wheels as a workshop has got tons and tons of metaphors and of course cartoon characters, which can be an interesting fact for you to help identify what are the square wheels of the organizations, what are the roadblocks, what are the challenges, what is not working for you, and then how do you convert those square wheels into round wheels, which are nothing but best practices, solutions for helping you achieve your outcome. And then we will create this entire ecosystem to implement these round wheels in the work environment. So my dear friends, we're conducting a 2 hours workshop on business alignment. And if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a leader, if you are a CEO of a company, then you should attend this particular program. It will change your perspective about how things are not working in your organization. Looking forward to seeing you in our next webinar. Thank you very much.